In the beginning, when I came to this Datom village, means two years before, I used to tell that I have many friends in different countries, and we are going to, open a traditional healthcare center which can help you to get treated many chronic diseases as well as many acute diseases also. So people used to laugh on me that he is a crazy guy. He used to say that that foreigner will come and foreign doctors will come and treat us. It is unbelievable. No one expect these things. But TH traditional health care came and they started their jobs. Now gradually people started thinking that we are not alone apart from this world. Yeah, when I was by the age of 20, I was thinking not like the same way usually youth thinks. I used to think that this life only not for the enjoyment. This life is for service and blessedness also. I should do something different than the common man. So I started thinking what should be done, which is be beneficial for the whole community. So I came to conclusion that I should be a monk so that I have no other extra burden for me, and then I can serve the community very well. I became monk and started doing doing service to many projects. Meanwhile, I found there are also some problem where there is some politics, some interclass, some intraclass always there. So it was not congenial for me, and I could not stay there, and I returned back to my birthplace. Before leaving the monk life, I wrote many mail to my all the friends that why I am living again and to my previous life, because I realized that without monk life also one can serve this community very well. For doing service no need to be a monk. So and then I returned back to this village. This village people accepted me. Even then they don't know about the acupuncture. They said that okay, if you want to do something here, we will help you. And many of them started helping me because I was a monk. I had no money. So whenever I need money, they help me by helping little money. So gradually I established, and I started writing by the same time to all of my friends and by the Tom and other also, and they accepted that okay, we are going to organize, when we are going to constitute an organization, traditional healthcare, and it came in existence. So I hope that this traditional healthcare will give a new life for us, for the enjoyment and for the what we can say, that people live and drink and sleep, all those things, but traditional healthcare will give a platform where one can and spare their time for the suffering humanity.